Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans. We've got a lovely long wheelbase T6.1 Caravelle 150 PS DSG to show you around today. We originally supplied this one as a delivery mileage vehicle back in late 2020, early 2021. So we've known its history all from the start. Been fully wrapped in matte grey, just to give it a unique finish with the contrasting gloss black pack. As you can see, it's got our MASV styling pack with the full front lower spoiler and all the gloss black in there. Lowered 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. Gloss black mirrors too. Full privacy tints to the rear of the vehicle, and we have also got the sidebars and roof rails with 4 crossbars on it, so perfect if you're into outdoor pursuits, you want to strap a kayak, paddleboard or anything like that on. It's perfect for that. Really good spec these actually, because the SE as standard didn't come with a hell of a lot. Now these have got the full Nappa leather upgrade from factory. A really expensive option. Heated front seats too. Comes with Google Maps nav through Apple Carplay or Android Auto. All hooks up to the touch screen on the dash there. It's got front and rear park sensors too. This one's also got 3-zone climate, so it does have rear climate control. Really useful in these hotter months, certainly. Standard Caravelle layout in the back, where we've got the triple seat at the rear. Runs in the rails with the table and the 2 swiveling captain's chairs, so they can face backwards or forwards. Then in the ceiling, as well as all your lights and vents, you've got up here a little digital panel that controls the temperature in the rear. There are also power closing doors on these, so as you pull it in close, if it isn't quite shut, it will just pull the door in itself. Now, this is done just over 6,500 miles, is a couple of years old nearly, so there will be the odd little mark in the wrap as it's been on from new. Let me just show you around what we know is just tiny little bits there. Got to look at it as just like any vehicle will get tiny marks in the paint. It's exactly the same, nothing that detracts from it. But we do believe in being honest here and showing you anything we know about so that you can make an informed decision. A couple of tiny little touch-ins there. Back of it being completely debadged apart from our MASV detail badging on it. Shaped rear plate, gloss black badge. Got the rear bumper protector there too. Nice carbon effect. Now we've put these seats all the way back just to maximise cabin space, which I'll sort of show you from here. They could easily go another 1.5 foot, maybe more forwards. So you can create a huge boot area if you wish to do so. And all those seats do come out as well if you need to make more room. Another little touch-in up there. But just check this out from the side view. Those wheels are sitting on the load suspension with the styling kit. Really looks the business. Not many of these about in long wheelbase either. Quite a rare find. Got the power folding mirrors. Mileage today 6,640 miles. These have adaptive cruise as well, so it'll speed up and slow down with the traffic in front once you've set the cruise feature. We had it serviced at 4,000 miles, so we know the full history of the vehicle. As I say, we sold it from delivery miles. It's a super vehicle, unique with the wrap. Perfect if you need to carry a lot of people around in style. Now we've got 20+ photos on the website, martinatkinsonvans.co.uk, along with a full detailed written description of it. We do take part exchange and we can supply finance. So if you're interested, please do get in touch. We'd love to talk to you about it. Thanks for watching.